Old Valley is a substantial 1.36 hectare property, ideally situated in the thriving Canningvale Industrial District, just 13 kilometres south of the Perth CBD. The total building area of Old Valley is 5,457 square metres. The site has easy access for large trucks, with separate in and out gates. Bulk wine containers or standard trucks have plenty of room to load and unload inside Old Valley's facility. Old Valley is only 8 kilometres from the Jandakot premises of Total Wine Solutions. It's very close for the transshipment of wine and materials. A dedicated gate is used for staff vehicles, with access to a visitors' parking area and the administration offices. Old Valley's land is zoned General Industrial. It houses a fully automated bottling line, previously used for the processing of carbonated ciders, fruit juice and other drinks. A major part of the facility is the warehouse, which houses 32 stainless steel vats, most with refrigeration sleeves and all connected to an automated cleaning-in-place system. These tanks vary in size from one 5,000 litre tank to 9 85,000 litre tanks. Old Valley has a total liquid holding capacity of 1.2 million litres. All tanks are currently being utilised for bulk wine storage, prior to the wine being transported for bottling. All storage tanks are controlled by a centralised computer system, which closely monitors temperatures and volume. Tanks can be used for short or long-term storage, blending or filtering. The storage facilities at Old Valley are substantial. The warehouse covers 1,380 square metres, and this area is currently being leased. It can store up to 1,500 pallets. There are 4 cool stalls and 1 freezer room within the facility. The cool rooms comprise 888 square metres of storage, held at 14 degrees for 400 pallets. The freezer capacity is 30 pallets held at -20 degrees. Old Valley is a ready-made facility for easy conversion into a fully operational winery. An on-site laboratory houses all essential testing equipment for the monitoring of bulk juice or wine stored in the tank room. The automated bottling line includes a bottling and packing line, which was previously used for the processing of Old Valley juice drinks and Ballydooley and Strongbow ciders. When fully operational, the plant was processing a large percentage of Western Australia's apple and pear crop. Currently, the plant is ready for operation and is run once a week. The line incorporates plant and machinery, with a replacement cost well in excess of $12 million. Starting with a bottle depalletizer, the line can handle bottles varying in size from 200 ml up to 2 litres capacity. Incorporated in the line is a side gripper-type bottle rinser, filled with both air and water rinsing. It can handle both plastic and glass bottles. The bottling line after the rinser is split into 2 separate filling lines, one for cold filling and the other for hot filling. One line can also be used for carbonated liquid, the other for still liquid. Both lines rejoin after filling and capping. A Barry Waymiller twin-deck pasteuriser services both lines. It can be used for either in-package pasteurisation or for use as a cooling tunnel to cool hot fill bottling prior to packaging. The line continues with 3 labelling machines for application of a variety of wet gum or adhesive labels. Then follows a bottle coder with Videojet inline bottle coding for best before dates or other information. Product can be directed 2 ways. The first line will pack product into shrink-wrap plastic, and the second will pack into cardboard cartons using a carton overproduct machine. Both lines then rejoin again for carton coding and finally palletising onto CHEP or Loscam pallets, with a range of configurations to suit the customer's requirements. The fruit juice processing line has the ability to handle 6 tonnes of apples or pears per hour, which can be converted to fresh juice or sent for concentrating. Of particular interest to the wine industry is the pasteurisation, filtration and evaporation equipment incorporated in this section of the facility. There exists the potential for wine to be concentrated into smaller volumes for export, which can then be reconstituted, at its destination point. Old Valley is a substantial facility, with replacement cost of its plant and equipment far exceeding the purchase price of the whole facility. It's a perfect fit with the services offered by Total Wine Solutions, and when its future conversion into a winery is complete, it represents an exciting opportunity within the West Australian wine industry.